What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of, as always, Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, guys, in this video I was sent some super special products that I want to share with you, and they are specifically formulated for black hair growth. Alright guys, so I was sent this beautiful box of products, and the company is called Anaka Honey. So guys, I was sent the Honey Hydration Cleanser, the Moisture Whip, and then lastly I received the Deep Cleansing Masque. So I'm going to be going into a deeper dive about all these products that I was sent, a little bit more about the background about this black owned business. You guys will actually see me on screen using these products as well, and I'll give my final thoughts and my top tips about how to use these products. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright, so I'm going to be walking you guys through a full wash day, and I first started off in the shower with the shampoo. So her Honey Hydration Cleanser is designed not only to clean your hair, but replenish the nutrients in each individual strand because of the powerful ingredients that the product has. This product includes Castile Soap, African soap, honey extract, keratin protein, and baobab protein. So I'm going to be speaking a little bit more about the Castile soap and the black soap in this product, so you guys really understand how this product was formulated and how well it can truly cleanse your hair. Castile soap is what makes this product lather so well. It is concentrated, guys. You don't need a lot. A little bit really does go a long way, and you can start to feel the dirt and impurities lift up off your scalp as soon as the cleanser hits your hair. Castile soap is a vegetable soap that is derived directly from olive oil, water, and lye. It is a gentle soap, and it's biodegradable and also non-toxic. Castile soap is strong enough to cleanse the scalp of excess sebum and also product buildup. So just a pro tip for you guys, Castile soap is extremely potent. You never want to use Castile soap directly on your skin or your hair. You always want to use it in some other ingredients. You never want to use Castile soap by itself directly, and if you do, try to mix it with something else or at least dilute it in water before using it, because it's way too strong and it will do more harm than good. It will make your hair feel very straw-like after you use it. It will definitely cleanse your hair, but it's going to take out a lot of the impurities and a lot of the sebum. It's not going to be good and healthy for you. So you definitely want to make sure that you are mixing Castile soap with another ingredient, hence why she has so many different ingredients in her cleanser. And now to talk a little bit more about the African black soap that's also in the cleanser. It's traditionally loaded with natural ingredients, plus the natural ingredients have antioxidants like minerals and potassium and magnesium. Because it's rich in nutrients, it's far superior from its other competitors of soaps. So real African black soap is all natural, and it's just like shea butter. It's harvested from local women right in Ghana. It feeds nourishment to the scalp instead of stripping the nutrients away. So the best thing about the Honey Hydration Cleanser, you can literally feel the dirt and the scum and all that excess sebum that has built on your scalp over the past week. You can feel it just being lifted up and removed. This soap does a very good job at taking away all the impurities that's not supposed to be in your hair. It literally resets your scalp so it can be fresh for the next week to follow. The Honey Hydration Cleanser also has a really good smell to it as well. It's not too overpowering, and I also love just the lightness that it comes with. You can tell that she really took her time on these products, did a lot of research on the backgrounds of how these products would also interact with each other. So I need a really good strong shampoo to just get rid of all those impurities that I had on my scalp and on my hair as well. This did a really good job at breaking everything down. Sometimes when I use certain shampoos, it takes a couple times for the product to actually start to lather and see it working, but for this it was so concentrated that it worked right away. The product is used about that much, and I went in a few times on each side of my head with this, and I actually used way too much. This is a product that's going to last you a long time, so if you're not really looking to spend a lot of money on a natural hair product and just something that's going to have a long shelf life and last you, I would definitely check out the Honey Hydration Cleanser from Anaka Honey. This is really your one-stop shop when it comes to cleansers. It didn't really have too much of a stripping feeling, and whatever stripping dripping feeling it did have because it was so cleansing on my hair completely went away as soon as I applied the Deep Cleansing Masque. So this hydrating mask is infused with honey, shea butter, avocado oil, biotin, provitamin B5, aloe vera, and much more. So just to speak a little bit more about some of the ingredients that is packed in this hydrating mask is the honey. Now, honey is a natural humectant, meaning that it's going to draw moisture from the atmosphere around you back into your hair. Honey is also an emollient. Emollients just are meant to smooth down the hair follicles and also add shine to dull hair. Honey is widely used in the natural hair community because of its medicinal properties. A lot of people incorporate honey into their deep conditioners just because it has so many properties that's going to help fight the frizz on your hair and also fight to keep moisture in your hair as well. There's also shea butter in this deep conditioner. Now, the shea butter is a byproduct of shea nuts that are harvested in West Africa. Shea butter is also very moisturizing in the hair. So we as naturals use shea butter as a sealant to keep the moisture in and create extra softness on our hair as well. Shea butter does a great job at helping keep all the moisture and hydration into your hair strands, and that's another reason why she decided to add this in to her Deep Cleansing Mask. This product is also packed with aloe vera. Aloe vera is so widely talked about in the natural hair community. Aloe vera can actually strengthen your hair and make your scalp healthier. Aloe vera is also great for those who suffer from dry scalp or dandruff like myself. Aloe vera contains vitamins such as A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins will contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair as well. So the Anaka Honey Deep Cleansing Mask was definitely one of my favorites out of the 3 products that she sent me. I was super surprised with the consistency of the product. It is thick, but it also is packed with oils and look at that. It is definitely a thick product, guys. So this product is so magical. As soon as I put it on my hair, it just disappeared. I don't know what type of tricks she has up in this product. I was so shocked at how well the product just really went in and did not sit on top of my hair, but it penetrated my hair as well. Anaka Honey's Deep Cleansing Mask is formulated to go into the second layer of the hair strand, which is the cortex. The first layer is your cuticle, which protects the hair shaft. So this product right here is formulated to deeply penetrate beyond the first layer into the second layer, which always needs the most help because we have to make sure each layer is properly moisturized. So I was just so happy to see that this product did not sit on top of my hair like other deep conditioners do. I did allow this product to sit on my hair for about 15 minutes, and then I used this product as a detangler as well. So as I was rinsing it out, I completely saturated my hair with the shower head water that was coming down, and it is so easy to detangle for me when I'm in the shower because I just have a constant flow of running water hitting my head, so I can just detangle from ends all the way up to my roots, section by section, working all the knots out, and I use a wide tooth comb to do so. So this really worked on my hair perfectly, and I was able to use it for multiple steps in my wash day. Not only as the deep conditioner, I use it as the detangler, and guys, I even left the shower with this in my hair as well. I rinsed it all out after I was done detangling my hair, but because I didn't have a leave-in conditioner, I just took a little bit of the deep cleanser, and I also took water as well and just applied it about 50%. So 50% was water in my hair, 50% was the deep cleansing mask in my hair as well, and then I was able to use that as my leave-in and then exit the shower and then move on to the next steps of my wash day routine, which was styling. I try my best to leave the shower in some type of plastic bag so there is no moisture escaping from my hair at all. By the time I get to my styling process, my hair is fully saturated and ready for some more product. If you do leave the shower and you probably don't put anything on your hair or may wrap it up in a towel and you come back to style it, your hair might be a little bit dry. My hair just works best when it's most saturated, so I always try to leave the shower in some type of plastic plastic bag or plastic cap, and then I will put my towel around it on top of that. Most of the styles that I do, I need water to my hair, and if you guys do as well, I would highly recommend you trying that pro tip. Leave your shower in a plastic cap or a plastic bag, and then put your towel or your cotton t-shirt around it, and then that's the best way to retain as most moisture as possible. Your hairstyles will look so much better because we need moisture in our hair to perform the hairstyles. Alright guys, so my hair is completely saturated in the Deep Cleansing Mask. I'm taking my towel off, I'm taking off my plastic cap, and now I'm ready to start the styling process. It is so much fun doing my hair. Some people dread it, but I really have a passion for natural hair, learning all I can about how to help my hair grow and also helping you in your hair journey as well. That's why if you guys are struggling with your natural hair, I really encourage you guys to send me a DM, or you can reach out through me through email as well. I teach a one-on-one coaching course for those who are just starting their natural hair journey. If you guys are just coming off chemically or relaxed hair and you're ready to start your journey but just don't know how, or may feel overwhelmed about the process, reach out to me. I will create a step-by-step plan for you to achieve the curls that you desire through my one-on-one coaching course. And again, I can be reached either through DM or you can email me directly, and I'll have everything in the description below. Natural hair is not hard, you just need to find your path, and that's where I come in. Alright guys, let's get back to the styling process. So this moisture whip was designed to soften, hydrate, and repair the hair. So there's extra powerful ingredients that are packed in this moisture whip, containing mango butter, black Jamaican castor oil, keratin oil, and baobab protein to help intensely hydrate and also lock in the moisture even farther. Now this product states it's best for twist outs, and that's the reason why I chose to do this style, because I really just want to follow the directions and see if I'm going to get these products to work on my hair the way they are formulated to work. So guys, if you don't know, mango butter is actually derived from the seeds of mango trees found right in South Asia and other regions of the world as well. The process of extracting the butter preserves many of the source's natural nutrients. It's rich in vitamin A and E. So mango butter has a deep moisturizing effect on both the hair strands and even your scalp. Mango butter not only reduces breakage, but it also helps with split ends as well. Like any other butter, mango butter can also function as a sealant as well to lock in the moisture throughout the hair strands. A sealant is typically used in the final steps of the hair care regimen. Frizz is one of the main problems that natural women suffer from, especially type 3 and type 4 hair. Our hair will frizz. Frizz is due to dryness. That's why we need these heavy butters on our hair, so our hair will last throughout the entire week. So when I first took this out the box, my jaw dropped. Y'all, this is a moisture whip. Let me explain to you how I thought that they forgot to put the physical product in there. Like, you would never know how light this product is. I really, like, my heart dropped because I thought that they forgot to put the product in here. That's how it feels, like it's empty. Like, it is crazy. I have never experienced such a lightweight product before, and the fact that they were able to add in all these super heavy oils and butters into this product and still make it as light as possible, I am so intrigued by the manufacturing process. I just want to know more. I know that these are homemade products, so I'm sure she had some type of secret process in order to get this to whip. You would think it would be a very heavy product, but it's not. It's super light. So the last two ingredients that I want to talk to you guys about in her products are the proteins that she put in there. Proteins are super important, and I think it's important for you guys to know, even as beginners, or if you're watching this and you're a little bit more advanced. I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about proteins and how they can help for our hair. So the first protein I'm going to talk to you guys about is a keratin protein. Now, keratin is a type of protein that actually makes up your hair, skin, and nails. Keratin can also be found in your internal organs and in your glands as well. Keratin can be derived from feathers, horns, wool of different animals, and keratin is used as an ingredient in hair cosmetics. So let's talk about how keratin works. So the layer of cells called the hair cuticle absorb the keratin, resulting in hair that looks fuller and glossier. So keratin also makes the hair less frizzy, and it's also easy to style. So the most important thing about keratin is just how it specifically is designed to work in our hair, especially because our hair is mainly made up of keratin and water. Keratin is designed to smooth down cells that overlap to form the hair strands. Keratin protein is so important if you do have damaged hair, because it's going to help soothe down those cuticle layers that were damaged either by heat, chemicals, or environmental factors. Not only does she have keratin protein in her whip, but she also has baobab protein as well. Now, baobab protein is derived from the seeds of a baobab tree. People in Africa refer to this tree as a gift from God because of its additional healing properties that it acquires. The fruit from the tree is normally rich in vitamin C, which helps restore damaged hair. Baobab oil is naturally blessed with omega-3 fatty acids like 3, 6, and 9. So this makes baobab oil and protein one of the best natural hair moisturizers out there. And there's also a Baobab Foundation that is a non-profit organization that's located in South Africa that promotes and supports the conversations of baobab trees, and it is involved in improving the lives of the communities of the people who live around and amongst these trees. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about the Baobab Foundation, I'll have some links below on ways that you can contribute and help to our African brothers and sisters, and also help protect these trees as well, because these trees are so important in the natural hair community. We need to protect our trees, and we also need to protect the people who live around and among the trees as well. I was overall so happy with all three of these products, guys, from the cleanser, from the deep cleansing mask, and also the moisture whip. Again, I think my favorite was definitely the deep cleansing mask because it just wowed me the most. I was not expecting the mask to penetrate my hair like that. I really thought it was just going to be like an everyday average Joe deep conditioner where it kind of just sits on top of your hair and, you know, leaves that creamy whiteness that, you know, doesn't really seep into your hair. So my favorite was definitely the deep cleansing mask, and I'm actually really happy that I got a chance to try the moisture whip as well, because it shocked me at how much of a lightweight product this is. Again, I thought that there was no product in here when I picked it up. That's how light this is for it to be a 16-ounce container. A couple of my other favorite things that I did like about these products is that you don't need to use a lot. All three of these products are concentrated with natural ingredients that you don't need a lot to make it work in your hair. These also work really well with water as well, so if you want to spray a little bit of water on your hair and then use the product, you can also do so. I love how the moisture whip just melts away. It's white, but as soon as you start to rub your hands together, it just disappears, and that's what natural ingredients are really supposed to do. They're supposed to seep into your skin and seep into your hair shafts as well, so that's how you know that you really have a good product on your hand. Another thing that I really like about this brand is that they're very inexpensive. For me and for my budget, these are super affordable products. It was extremely nice to just do a nice, simple, low manipulation style like a twist out, and then not have to touch my hair or worry about my hair being dry throughout the week, just because I know the products that I put in my hair is going to keep it moisturized. And also there's so many products in here that locks in the moisture as well, that I was just super happy with the overall results of my hair. I definitely recommend that you guys go and try Anaka Honey. They have some killer ingredients in here. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my full review on the Anaka Honey. Please go check it out. I'll have all the details listed below. These products were certainly awesome. They're going right up in my hair stash along with all 50,000 other my hair products that I have. And guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did learn a little bit more about me, about Anaka Honey, or about how to care for your hair overall, go ahead and subscribe to this video, give it a good like and a thumbs up as well, and comment below something that you may have learned. Alright guys, but without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. My name is Aaliyah. This is as always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.